Hi, my name's Chris, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and sell online courses and memberships using WooCommerce. We're going to build this great looking website with a fully functional, super powerful LMS called LifterLMS, and we're going to show you how to sell access to the courses with WooCommerce, and we're even going to show you how to sell memberships with recurring payments all set up in WooCommerce, so it's fully integrated with no steps skipped. Enjoy. Now, the first step to creating and selling online courses and memberships with WooCommerce is to start with a blank WordPress installation, which I've got up here. If you need a recommendation for a web host, click the link below this video to host your WordPress website on. But I've got the blank WordPress install with literally nothing on this website. So I'm going to go to the dashboard, and the very first step is to install the best learning management system and membership plugin for WordPress called LifterLMS. So just head on over to the LifterLMS.com website, click on pricing, and you could get started with the free LifterLMS plugin, the core plugin, or you could go ahead and get started with one of the bundles. I do recommend getting the Earth bundle because it includes all the e-commerce integrations, and we're going to need the WooCommerce integration for this website. So go ahead and get that. All right, so I've downloaded LifterLMS from my account, and then I've uploaded it to my website just by clicking on plugins, add new, and I uploaded it, and now I'm going to activate it. Now we go through the LifterLMS quick setup wizard. So I'll click Get Started Now. We want to install the required pages. We're going to be selling in US dollars. We'll enable offline payments, save and continue. We are going to allow tracking so LifterLMS can improve the product and get a coupon. And you can import these demo courses if you like. I highly recommend the LifterLMS Quick Start course. We're not going to import it in this case because we're going to build a site from complete scratch. All right, so I've installed LifterLMS, and the next thing I'm going to do is install the Sky Pilot theme. So I'm going to head on over to Appearance, Themes, and I'm going to add a new theme. Now, I downloaded the Sky Pilot theme from my LifterLMS account, so I have it on my desktop. You can also activate it through a license key, which I'll show you in a second how to do. So I've just got some files I'm going to use here for making this video. Here's the Sky Pilot theme. I'm going to click Open and Install Now. I'm going to activate the theme by clicking the Activate link. And let's look at our website. Cool. So we've got LifterLMS installed, the Sky Pilot theme, and we're going to install another plugin made by LifterLMS, which is a page builder called Aircraft. So I'm going to go to Plugins, Add New, and I'm going to upload the Aircraft plugin. And just to show you how to install plugins from your website with your license key, if you go to LifterLMS, click on Add-ons and More, you enter your license key up here, and then on this screen, I have an Infinity Bundle license key, so I can install and activate all these plugins directly from inside my website. In this demonstration, we're going to be focusing on the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration. So the next thing we want to do is build a nice looking homepage for our LMS website and membership site that's also using WooCommerce. So I'm going to click on New, Add Page, and I'm actually going to use the Aircraft page builder to create this page. I'm giving it a title, so I usually call my homepage Welcome, and then I'm going to hit the plus button up here, go to Patterns, And since I have aircraft installed, I can build out nice looking pages and design elements really quickly. So first thing I'm going to do is add a hero section, which is basically like a headline, subheadline, a video, or a picture. Then I'm going to put in some trust seals, so trusted by these companies. And then I'm going to put in a call to action to join the membership. We'll use this one. And then what we're going to do is add some testimonials at the bottom. So let's do a grid of 4. And I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And you can see we've already got our nice looking homepage coming together. You can of course customize the text and insert your video and change any of this wording or images that you would like to. So next, let's remove this page title since we don't want a page title on our homepage. So I'm going to go into the back here, and what I'm going to do is actually create a new template. So I'm going to go into Appearance Editor, Templates, Pages. So this is a page template, and what I want to do is I want to have an alternative page template that does not have the title. So let me go back to Templates, click Add New, and this should apply to pages because I want to apply it to this page. So all I want to add, I want to just remove the title here. So delete, save, and you can see that's applying to the welcome page. So now if we go back to our website and go to the front end, go to our welcome page, you can see I have this page and it does not have the page title. Whereas if I go to this page, you can see it does have the page title. So that's how I just quickly removed the title on the home page. The next thing we want to do is we want to add WooCommerce. So we'll go back to our plugins, add new, and we'll do a search for Woo. So here's the WooCommerce plugin. I'm going to click Install Now. And activate it. Now, similar to LifterLMS, WooCommerce is going to take us through a setup wizard as well. So set up my store. I'm just going to rename my store My Academy. Education and learning, and continue. So I'm going to not install all these extra plugins. And I will leave Woo Payments as an option here when we talk about payment gateways. Click continue. All right, so let's customize our store. We don't want to do that, so I'm going to back out. And I'm actually going to skip this guided setup here since I'm going to be showing you how to do it from scratch with no extra bells and whistles. So let's look at our pages real quick. So as we look at our pages, since we installed LifterLMS and WooCommerce, we have some pages that are already set up and configured for us. So the LifterLMS course catalog, student dashboard, membership catalog, and checkout. It's important to note that LifterLMS also has its own e-commerce system, so you don't have to use WooCommerce unless you want to for selling. But WooCommerce also installs certain pages like the checkout page, the My Account page, and the shop page, which you can see right here. And we'll be working with those pages more in a little bit. The next thing we want to install is the WooCommerce subscriptions plugin. You can get that from woocommerce.com. And what this allows you to do is to create recurring payments. So we're going to be selling one-off courses on this website, but we're also going to be selling a membership that includes all the courses with a monthly fee. So if we're selling with WooCommerce, we're going to need WooCommerce subscriptions for that. So I've already purchased WooCommerce subscription. There's a link below this video to get it for yourself. But what we want to do is head on over to plugins, add new plugin, and I've already downloaded WooCommerce subscription to my desktop. So I'm just going to install it right here. Click install now. Now let's activate WooCommerce subscriptions. And we've got one more plugin to install for now, which is the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration, which is made by LifterLMS. So in this case, I'm just going to head on over to LifterLMS add-ons and more and go to the WooCommerce integration. I'm going to click install. So that's installing right now. And once it finishes installing, I just have to activate it by clicking the activate button. And you can actually bulk install and activate multiple LifterLMS add-ons at once if you want to. Next, we want to configure some basic WooCommerce settings. So I navigate to WooCommerce settings, and I'm just looking through the options here. This looks good. I'm going to go to accounts and privacy. And this is really important. We want to uncheck this box, allow customers to place orders without an account. That's called guest checkout. But in a learning management system and memberships website, we do want our customers to create an account when they make a purchase, because we need an account for the person to be able to enroll in courses and memberships. And we also want to allow customers to create an account during checkout. So that's really important. And we want to save changes. Next, we want to create our courses in LifterLMS. So just head on over to courses and click on add course. And we're going to create 3 courses. So I'm giving the course a name and a description. And you can, of course, spend more time on these pages, adding as much information as you like. And let's give this course a category. So we'll add a new category called marketing. So these are going to be marketing courses. And we want to add a featured image. So I've got my files here, my images I've prepared. And I'm going to set the featured image. And I'll go ahead and publish that course. So we can see our course is starting to come together. And the next thing I want to do is add the other 2 courses quickly. So we'll go to courses, add course, and we'll do paid advertising. And we'll do the same thing. We'll put it in the marketing category and add the featured image. And we'll set that. And we'll go ahead and publish it. So you can see our paid advertising course is starting to come together. If we look in the course catalog, you can see our 2 courses here. And the next thing we want to do is just add one more course. So I'm going to do that from here. Click on Add Course. And the last one is called Marketing Automation. Giving it a description. And same thing where we are going to put it in the marketing category and give it a nice featured image. And you can see our courses are starting to come together here. The next thing we want to do is add lessons to these courses. So we can go in the back here to the WordPress dashboard, click on courses, and let's start with the social media marketing course. I'm going to launch the course builder, which allows us to build the syllabus by clicking on the Launch Course Builder button. And these are called sections. These are called lessons. And just a pro tip for you on how to get a starter outline going if you need some help brainstorming is we can use artificial intelligence like ChatGPT for that. So here's a simple prompt you can use. Make a 3-module course outline with 3 lessons in each module about social media marketing. Just give me 3 module names and lesson titles. So let's see what the AI comes up with. Perfect. So you can copy that and paste it somewhere else. So I actually already ran that exercise. So I have my outline right here. And just to show you how this works, I'm just copying and pasting in my section title, grabbing my lesson names, putting those in. And let's speed that up. So we want to make sure to save changes. And we've got our course outline here. Let's view the course. Click on the View Course button. And you can see our course is coming together here. Now let me show you how to add a lesson video. So I'm going to edit the course and launch the course builder. And there's a couple different ways to add video. I'm going to do it from the course builder right here and click on the video embed URL. So I'm using a Vimeo hosting account, but you can use YouTube, Wistia, or any other embed video hosting tool. So I've added a video. So now let's take a look at the course. I'm going to click View Course, and you can see I have a video lesson right here. I can also edit the lesson directly and add all kinds of content to the lesson here using the WordPress editor. There's no limit to what you could put in there, from PDFs to images, text, anything you can put on a website, you can put in a lesson. The video is coming through the video embed URL here because we have an advanced videos feature which gives you even more power and controls over your video, but you can also just put the video directly in the content if you like that. But since I've already added it in the course builder, I'll just let it come in that way. So now let's look at what we've got so far. If we go to the front end of our website, you can see we've got our 3 courses, and we've started building out the content for this one. And we're not going to do a deep dive into LifterLMS because there's so much you can do with courses and quizzes and assignments and so on, and stay focused on setting up the e-commerce component. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create a membership that has a monthly fee and includes all 3 courses. So let's do that. I'm going to go to New Membership and call this the Marketing Mastery Membership. Get all the courses and exclusive member benefits. And let's go ahead and add a featured image to that as well. So Marketing Mastery. And publish that. And we can take a look at our membership. So you can see our membership is here. And one more thing, just to show you the power of LifterLMS, let's create a quiz. So I'm going to edit this course and launch the course builder. And let's add a quiz to our first lesson. So we'll create a quiz. And in this case, we'll just do a simple multiple choice quiz. Which social media platform is older? Facebook, TikTok, and let's do one more answer. MySpace. And this is how we select what the correct answer is. And the correct answer is actually MySpace. It was older than Facebook. So let's see what that looks like on the front end. View the course. You can see there's a Take Quiz button here. Start the quiz and complete the quiz. You can see we got that correct. So it's just a small look into some of the power of LifterLMS. So now we want to set up the e-commerce element to sell these courses both individually, a la carte, as well as via the membership. Now, one thing we want to do first with the membership is we want to set up auto enrollment so that if somebody is active in this membership, they will be auto enrolled. I'm clicking on auto enrollment there and adding my 3 courses to the membership. So now when somebody purchases this membership, they'll be auto enrolled in the 3 courses. Next, we want to create products in WooCommerce to associate with the 3 courses and the membership. So we'll go to our dashboard, go to products under WooCommerce, and we'll create a product. So I'm going to do the social media marketing course, learn and down here, this is a simple product. It is a virtual product, and it's good, even though technically it's not downloadable, to check the box downloadable so that the order, once goes through, the person gets instant access to the enrollment in the course or membership. And all we need to do here is give it a price, let's say $1,000. And we can actually add our same product images. So this is a social media marketing product course, and publish that product. Let's view the course, or view the product. So this is a WooCommerce product called social media marketing. And in a little bit, what I'll show you how to do is connect purchase of that product with enrollment in this course. But first, let's add the pricing or the products to these 2 courses as well. It'll just take a second. So we'll add a new product. And we have paid advertising, learn paid advertising. And again, that's a simple product, virtual, downloadable, $1,000. And we'll go ahead and click publish. And we'll add the 3rd course, which is marketing automation. And add the featured image. And publish. And that is virtual, downloadable, $1,000. Simple product. Click update. Next, we want to add our final product, which is the membership. So marketing mastery membership. And we have our little product description, which I'm grabbing over here. Join the membership to get all the courses and exclusive benefits. We'll add our product image right here. Now this product is a little different. It's not a simple product. It's a simple subscription, since we're going to be earning recurring revenue through the membership instead of one-time payment for a la carte courses. So in this case, we want to charge $1,000 every month. Do not stop until canceled. And that is that. I'm going to go ahead and click publish. And if we look at this product, you can see it's $1,000 a month. And if I were to go through the checkout now, it's in our cart. Here it is. It's $1,000 a month. Proceed to checkout. And here is the checkout form. But before we do that, we actually need to link the products and the courses together. So we want to go into the back of WordPress, go to LifterLMS, Settings, Integrations, and since we've installed the WooCommerce integration, it's there, but it's not enabled yet. So we need to turn it on. So check this box to enable the integration. I'm clicking Save Changes. And so now when we go to our courses, I'm actually going to open all of these in a new tab. I'm just clicking Edit on the courses. So this is the marketing automation course, and we need to add an access plan, which is what connects it to the WooCommerce product if you're using the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration. So I'm going to click on Add New Access Plan. Call it Instant Access. And we need to choose a product that we're associating this course with. So this is the marketing automation one. So that is the marketing automation product. So if somebody purchases that product, they get enrolled in this course. So we'll click Update. Let's step through that again. This is the paid advertising course. Add an access plan. Instant access. And then, which one was this? Paid advertising. So this is the paid advertising product. Saving that. And then this is a social media marketing course. Adding an access plan, giving the plan a name. And this is the social media marketing course. So I'm going to click Save. So now when I go to this course, social media marketing, I can check it out and you can see we now have a purchase flow. So if I click Enroll, I'm now in the WooCommerce cart, and I already had another one in my cart, so maybe I'll remove that one, and you can see how we're in the WooCommerce checkout flow now. And when this order completes through the payment options, the user is instantly enrolled in this course. But let's set up the membership as our last step. So if I go to my dashboard and I go to my memberships and I click Edit on the membership, we need to add an access plan. So we'll give this plan a title, Become a Member. And that's associated with the Marketing Mastery membership. So we'll click Save right here. And remember, we have auto enrollment. So when they join this membership, which charges them every month, they get access to these 3 courses and all the other benefits as well. So let's look at our membership. You can see we now have the membership e-commerce set up with WooCommerce. So this is what the checkout flow would look like there, and you can see that we have a recurring payment, $1,000 due today, and it's a monthly recurring total. You can see down here that we don't have payment options set up yet, so we need to set up some payment methods. So we'll jump into the back of the website, and under WooCommerce settings, you can see this payments tab right here. So there's a bunch of different options here. You can use the Woo payments that WooCommerce provides, and you can do where you just set that up and then connect it to your bank account and they handle it. If you take offline payments or check payments, you can turn on this payment gateway, which we'll use for testing just to show you how this works. And I'm going to make a couple more recommendations to you as well. I'm just going to save changes on the check payments option, so we'll use that for demonstration. But if you're looking for good payment gateways for WooCommerce, so let's look at the WooCommerce extensions page, and I clicked on the payments option, so all payments. So you have a lot of options here. This is why some people use the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration instead of LifterLMS's native e-commerce integration, is WooCommerce has been around for a long time and has a ton of different payment gateways you can use, which depending upon what country you live in, certain payment gateways might make more sense for you. I'm in the United States, and when I'm using WooCommerce, I like to use the free Stripe integration or the free PayPal integration, and I actually like to use both together so that my users can check out with a credit card, which is powered by Stripe, or with a PayPal account, which is powered by PayPal. So before we show you the checkout experience, let's just clean up the top of the website, this menu area here. So I'm going to click on Edit Site. And that's the header of the website. And I want to edit the navigation. So I want to take some of these out. Just doing a really simple site here. And I'm renaming course catalog to courses. And this doesn't mean I'm deleting pages off my website. I'm just updating which items I want to display in the menu. And then I want to reorganize this a little bit. I don't want that one. And I actually want the welcome to say home. And we'll click Save. So now when you view the website, you can see I just have the pages that I want. And the logo area, this can be a logo or a text title. It points to the home page, and I'll show you how to change that to a static page, the welcome page, instead of the blog. So what we want to do there is just go to Dashboard, Settings, go to Reading, and we want our home page to be a static page, and it's the welcome page that we want. So we'll click Save Changes. So now when we look at the site, you can see the home page and the logo. It all goes to the actual home page. And just to keep it really simple in this video, let's right align the menu and remove that button. So we'll go to Edit Site. Go to the header and edit it. And then we'll open it up and we'll remove the buttons. And then for the navigation, we'll justify the items to the right. Click Save. So now when we view our site, we have this simple header. So now let's test our checkout. I'm going to purchase the membership, which auto enrolls me in 3 courses for $1,000 a month. So I'm going to click Join, and here we'll complete our purchase. I'm just going to enter my information. And it's important to note here, when you set up the WooCommerce, Stripe, or PayPal, or Woo Payments, you'll have credit card and PayPal fields and stuff like that here. We're not demonstrating that in this video, as you actually have to connect your Stripe account, your PayPal account, or sign up through Woo Payments. But that's easy to do, and you can find documentation for that on the WooCommerce website. But we'll just show the checkout with this check manual payment gateway. So I'm going to sign up now. And you can see I've been enrolled in the membership and enrollment in the 3 courses associated with that. So if I navigate to courses, you can see I now have a progress bar and I can start taking my courses. And you can see in the dashboard, I can access all my courses, my memberships, grades, certificates, and more. And when using the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration, all the WooCommerce dashboard or account elements like orders and subscriptions are combined with the LifterLMS ones like courses, grades, memberships, achievements, certificates, and so on. And that's how you sell courses and memberships using WooCommerce and LifterLMS. Be sure you have the LifterLMS WooCommerce add-on installed and activated on your site. So if you don't have the LifterLMS WooCommerce integration yet, head on over to LifterLMS.com, choose your plan, and get started today.